Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Fit starter. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always ensure your vehicle is securely raised on jack stands, never just a jack. Next, disconnect both battery terminals, starting with the negative, to prevent any accidental electrical issues. Having your tools organized, including various socket sizes like 10, 14, and 17 mm, will make this job much smoother. Remember, patience and preparation are key for a successful repair. Now, let's clear the path to your starter. First, you'll need to remove the air filter housing assembly. This provides crucial space. Next, locate the dipstick tube and remove its 10 mm mounting bolt, then carefully pull the tube out. Don't forget to remove the lower engine splash shield from underneath the car. As you work, disconnect any electrical connectors or wiring harnesses that are clipped to components around the starter, ensuring they are safely out of the way for the next steps. With access clear, it's time to remove the old starter. Begin by disconnecting the main battery positive cable from the starter's stud terminal, usually secured by a 12 mm nut under a protective cover. Then, unplug the smaller electrical connector. Next, tackle the two main mounting bolts, a 14 mm bolt at the top, which can be tricky to reach, and a 17 mm bolt located at the bottom. Once both bolts are out, carefully guide the old starter motor out from its position. Now, let's install your new starter. Carefully guide the new starter motor into place, ensuring it aligns correctly. Install the upper 14 mm and lower 17 mm mounting bolts, tightening them to their specified torque settings, typically around 48 foot-pounds for the larger bolt and 33 foot-pounds for the smaller one. Reconnect the main battery positive cable and the smaller electrical connector. Finally, reassemble all components in reverse order, including the dipstick tube and air filter housing, then reconnect your battery and test your new starter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.